Hello guys, this is day 10. So I just walked with the dogs this morning. So it's around 7:15 a.m. in the morning. It's very cold guys. And it's very nice to walk. And it's good for the dogs. I want to give them the routine, morning routine and night routine.
A few minutes later.
Guys, normally weekly kaming namamalengke and it's every Saturday. So, this morning guys, we will go to the market. Mamamalengke si Inday. Tingnan ko guys kung merong almusal. Kapag wala, magluluto ako. Magluto sila dyan ng noodles and egg. Guys, tsaka kayo dyan. Really, I decided to drink this every day because there's a lot of benefits. And the taste is good, guys. As of the moment, we are waiting for our colleague to wake up. He's still sleeping at this time. So, when he's ready, then we'll go to the market. Guys, nadiligan ko na pala yung aking halaman. There are 5 flowers. This one, guys, I just got it from Solar. You know, we have so many plants like this there. So, I just take one and then I transferred it to this. Guys, we are getting a cup of tea and we are getting sunshine vitamin. It's good, it's vitamin D. Auntie Binta just came. Guys, you see Auntie, you see Auntie. Auntie is late.
Yes, today Auntie is late, huh? Welcome, Auntie.
Yeah.
I'm having fresh food.
Fresh cold?
Yes.
You know I'm drinking tea.
Tea.
Yeah, I make. Yeah.
Yeah.
I told you I will make.
Yes, Auntie, you see now, I don't have what to do.
Ah,
This one now, yeah?
yeah. I think I have here. I can give you.
Actually, you can give me that.
Yeah. Guys, Auntie is late. But, you know, Auntie doesn't have that much work now here because we are just few people. So, even she's closing pretty early. And it's okay with us as long as she finished her work, then she can go. Guys, finish.
Few moments later.
Guys, we are still waiting for him. I already cleaned my room and talked to my family. And he's still sleeping. Guys, you see, oh, so much chili. But this chili is not as spicy. Oh. Lowu, you know, Uncle is very good gardener. Really, he can grow plants and vegetables. Guys, our aloe vera is alive. It's growing. Guys, magluluto muna pala ako ng lunch. I will cook tortang talong and I will make some vegetable salad. Chop suey. Guys, this one. I think this one, guys, is a sister of cabbage. Huh? I will make salad. Mas medyo malaki yung talong eh, oh. Hahatiin ko. I will buy. Guys, my colleague has an important meeting. So we canceled the plan to go to the market and he cannot drive. So I drive for him na to the place of their meeting. So now guys, I will go back to the house to continue cooking. Guys, nakabalik na tayo. I will continue cooking now. Guys, kain tayo. Magkakamay ako. Mag-isang taon na yata akong hindi nakakain ng tortang talong, guys. My colleagues bought chicken and they gave me this chicken, guys. Like Jollibee, but this one is a bit spicy, no?
Few moments later.
Guys, sa totoo lang, busog pa rin ako. Bali pala yung niluto ko ng lunch, panghapunan na rin siya. Para hindi na kami magluluto ba. Eh yung mga katrabaho ko busog pa rin, so di pa sila kumakain ulit. Late na kasi silang dumating, guys. Alas 2 na rin, tapos alas 2 na silang nagtanghalian. So, kakain akong konti, guys. Ito pa rin yung pagkain, guys. Oh. Tapos may chicken pa ako, tsaka fries sa kwarto. Busog pa ako eh, guys. Pero kakain akong konti. Tapos lalabas ko na yung mga aso. Kain tayo, guys. Sarap ng chapsuy ko, guys. Pwede na talaga ako maging cook. Salad, guys. Guys, malakas yung hangin and malamig. So, binibigyan natin ng routine yung mga aso. Para hindi na sila tumai sa loob ng bakuran. Kasi yung mga tao natatakot sa kanila. Kadami kasi nila eh. guys, bali pala nagpahinga lang ako ng hapon. Kagabi guys, di ako makatulog. Di ako nakatulog ng maaga. So, that's all for today guys. Always remember, don't forget that you're amazing. Bye-bye.